like thanking y'all that are my inspirations and saying who my inspirations are. One of the first people that I watched that like really made me want to do this YouTube thing, but also made me want to helped me with getting on keto and with encouragement with the VSG surgery that I'm going to be having. So that would be Voodoo Queen. Oh my gosh, girl, changed my life. Esther, I absolutely adore you. You motivate me, you inspire me. I can't wait to be just like you one day in the VSG thing. Just love you, girl. Numi, you're always so encouraging to me, and watching you drop this weight and do so well in the middle of like so much crap and so much adversity. I'm so proud of you, girl, and I love you, girl, and I feel like y'all are my friends. On my way down, Rachel, you, same, you're so encouraging. You inspire me and motivate me. All of y'all do, and I'm so grateful and thankful for y'all. Every time you put out a video, I'm so like latched on, so ready to watch. I love you, Rachel. I'm praying for you all the time with your schedule and how hard life is right now. I wish I lived close and could come over and help, but you are doing it all with grace and dignity, and you just amaze me, girl. Y'all are just Survive, Sleep, Slay. I love your videos. You crack me up. I love your personality. I love your adorable little pixie haircut. I love watching your updates. I love how real you are. Girl, I need to come to Chicago. You would be so fun to hang out with. So I know I'm forgetting somebody. I should have made a list, but I didn't. So that's who's on my mind today. I'll probably make another one of these for the people that I missed, because I'm sure I miss people. But I love y'all. You don't even know what you've done for me in my life. I just love you. And if you haven't watched these people, oh, I know who I'm forgetting. Grace at Grace Gets Gastric and Sleeve Dim. Both of y'all I love your videos. I love your content. You share so many things and so many ideas, and watching you shrink in your journeys has been really fun. So all of you, I love you. Love you. I love you, girls. And I can't wait to join you on this journey, VSG journey. I am just waiting for that approval. I need the approval. I'm always looking for approval. No, approval from insurance. Waiting on Medicare. They're supposed to have 3 weeks.